Hi there, it's Jodi, and I am excited to share with you my November 2024 card kit in the mail. It is featuring this brand new bundle, Cake Celebrations. So there's the stamp set and the dies. There's 23 different photopolymer images in here, and I don't even know how many, a bunch of dies in the package here. This is a Stampin' Up! Online exclusive. And what that means is just that you're not going to see it in a Stampin' Up! Printed or published catalog. You'll see it in my online store. So that is what I've chosen for my November card kit, and I can't wait to show you the other products that we're going to use. So you will get with your kit supplies to make 6 cards, and I'm going to show you the cards in just a moment. But first I want to show you some of the product you're going to get. So this is the Marbled Elegance designer paper, and you can see it's truly a marbled look. There's some gold foil that you see reflecting in the light. But this reminds me, gosh, I think it was 2 years ago, I did this acrylic paint pour. And it reminds me of that whole experience where the paint just blends together and creates these awesome designs. So you've got some reds and pinks going on. And then on the opposite side, I'm going to flip it and pull it back in. And you've got some monochromatic type patterns on the back here with some Melon Mambo, Tray Cobbler, different shades of red in there. So monochromatic neutral on one side and then that wow on the other. So you're going to get some of this designer paper with your kit. You're also going to get the Wink of Stella Glitter Brush, which is super fun to use, and you'll see it on the cards. You'll get some Stampin Dimensionals, always need those. This is some new gold twisted thread. You'll see this on all of the cards. This is also an online exclusive. So let me go ahead and pull these cards in and show them to you one at a time. So there's 3 different designs, and your card kit will include supplies to make 2 of each with envelopes, of course. So let's just start with this one. So this is a happy anniversary card. So back to that stamp set. Oops. There's celebrate, anniversary, birthday, wedding, day, happy, all sorts of greetings there. And then different ways that you can build a cake and some flower images. So I chose Happy Anniversary for this card and used some of that gorgeous Marbled Elegance designer paper. You'll see some gems. Those will be included in your card kit as well. And you might be seeing some shimmer. That's that Wink of Stella brush. You can see it here on each end, as well as down here. I crumpled up this little strip to add to the inside of the card, crumpled it, attached it, and then added that Wink of Stella. This is so pretty in person. I do think the video is doing a pretty good job of catching that glimmer and shimmer, but it's so pretty. Here is some of that twisted gold thread on that card. This one is super fun. This is, of course, a birthday card. The cake stand, there is a stamp with this that you'll see on the next card. This is the die cut for it. And then really on this, I did a lot more die cutting. I stamped that splatter image on the cake, added the candles and flames, the little bursts around there, my greeting here. And then this has the die cut layer of the designer paper in the background. And of course, more of that gold twisted thread. Do you see the Wink of Stella on here? As I twist it and turn it, do you see where it is? Hoping it's focusing well. It's on this little chocolate icing here on the cake. Oh, there we go. It's always hard to get it to turn just the right way in the light. And you also see that gold foil on the designer paper reflecting the light. It's so pretty. And then finally, I did this Celebrate card, which I just love. So it's got an embossed white layer here, that designer paper in the back. I did some white embossing here. If you don't have white embossing powder, don't want to invest in that at this time, that's fine. You can just use the early espresso ink or a darker ink that you have and stamp that greeting right on that piece. So you'll get the embossed layer, you'll get the all these different little layers that are on here so that you can create, again, 2 of each card. I have the gold thread here, the pink layers of cake. There you see that shimmer and sparkle from Wink of Stella. And I added some flowers here. And of course, there's gems on here. I don't know if I pointed out the gem on this one. And then I'll pull this back in two so you can see all three of them at the same time. So just to recap, this kit includes supplies to make 2 of each of these, so 6 cards, everything you need to complete them. Some of the designer paper, a wink of Stella brush, a full spool of this new gold twisted thread, any of the gems that you need that you see on the card, some Stampin Dimensionals. Of course, you get a tutorial, so that will be emailed. It'll have photos and step-by-step instructions. And this is all only $35. And that $35 includes me shipping it right to you. I also have a special bonus, and it is with our brand new, just released Color Coach. If you purchase my November card kit, $35, and do a $50 or more online order with me using my host code by November 16th, you are going to get this new Color Coach for me, for free from me, not for me. This is going to be a free gift for you from me if you do my kit this month and a $50 minimum online order with my host code by November 16th. Now, this is a great tool. It's obviously in like rainbow order, but it's going to teach you some color theory here as well. And it's got some different color combination suggestions. It's a lot of fun. I refer to this tool quite often. So if you would like to take advantage of my card kit this month, get the bonus free color coach, just make sure that you order the kit and do your online order by November 16th. You can see all of the details in the description here. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.